I am Shubhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys everything I have been loving in the month of February. So basically this is my monthly favorites video. I have seen so many YouTubers doing this kind of video and I personally really enjoy watching them. So I thought I should also make this one for you guys. So those who don't know what monthly favorites video is all about, let me explain you guys quickly. So इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ अपना मेकअप, स्किन केयर, बॉडी केयर, हेयर केयर, सब कुछ, बेसिकली सब कुछ, जो इवन ज्वेलरी एंड स्नैक्स ऑल्सो. सो बेसिकली मैं सब कुछ शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो मैंने फेब्रुअरी मंथ में सबसे ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया है यूज़ करना, या फिर मेरा फेवरेट रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड मंथली फेवरेट्स. आई होप आप सब समझ गए होंगे, और अगर नहीं समझे तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना, अपने आप समझ आ जाएगा. और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, बिकॉज तभी मैं आगे इस सीरीज़ को कंटिन्यू करूँगी मंथली, अगर आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी तो. सो या विदाउट मेकिंग दिस इंट्रो एनी मोर लॉन्गर, लेट्स जस्ट क्विकली गेट इनटू द वीडियो. Also, if you want to see this makeup looks tutorial, then I've already posted it on my channel and I will link it in my description box, so don't forget to check that video also. Okay, so the first category I have is skincare and body care. So मैंने सारी categories में 2 या 3 products ही लिए हैं, because मुझे चीज़ें बहुत जल्दी पसंद आ जाती हैं, तो मेरे बहुत सारे फेवरेट्स हैं और मैं सबको लेने लगी तो फिर वीडियो काफ़ी लंबी हो जाएगी. तो मेरी जो सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट्स रहे हैं और मैं आप लोगों को रिकमेंड करना चाहती हूँ, वही प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने इस वीडियो में लिए हैं. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इन माई स्किन केयर कैटेगरी इज़ दिस बायोटिक बायो मॉर्निंग नेक्टर फेस मॉइस्चराइजर. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. This moisturizer is so good. It suits all skin types and it's really light moisturizer, but it hydrates my skin like anything. I love using this product. मैंने फरवरी में सिर्फ और सिर्फ यही मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ किया है and it's almost over now. So I will definitely gonna get a new one for myself. I love this product, and the best part about this is it will add a really nice glow to your face, as if you have applied any illuminating or stroke cream. So it's like a 2-in-1 product. I love using this and it's also really affordable. It's just for ₹199 और आपको कुछ ना कुछ ऑफर पे तो ये पक्का मिल जाएगा हमेशा. So it's a really nice product and a must buy from my side. Then the next thing I have in my skincare category is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. This is how it looks like. I have the 30 ml packaging. It comes with a dropper packaging. Of course, it's very evident. I don't even have words to express how much I love this product. It's my second bottle already. If you want a good hyaluronic acid serum, then this one is for you. This instantly plumps your skin, makes your skin look so healthy, juicy and glowy. I love using this product so much. Also, hyaluronic acid serum is the safest serum to try out as a beginner. And I'm also a beginner. I haven't tried any serums before this, and I just love it. It's so good. Okay, so that's it for my skincare category. These 2 products I've been using constantly. That's why I've shown to you guys. Then in my body care category, I just have one product, which is a shower gel from Liril. It's their Liril Berry Blast body wash. This is how it looks like. I have only used this body wash in the month of Feb, and सिर्फ इतना ही ख़त्म हुआ. This means it will last you like forever, and it's so affordable also. It's just for ₹197, which is under 200 rupees, and it smells like some candy. The fragrance is so long lasting. I have used a really nice body washes, but इसकी fragrance काफ़ी long lasting है. Up to 5 to 6 hours ये easily last करता है आपकी body पे, and it smells so good, like so sweet, so nice. If you love sweet fragrances, then this one is for you. Okay, so that's it for my skincare and body care category. So the next category we have is hair care, in which I have shampoo and conditioner from Love Beauty and Planet. This is how it looks like. The shampoo is almost over. It's my second bottle. I have been only using this duo from last 5 to 6 months, and I really enjoy using this. This shampoo and conditioner smells so good. Keeping aside the fragrance, it gives my hair so much volume, which I need the most. I have very thin hair, so volume is the only concern I look in my shampoos. उसके लिए तो ये बहुत अच्छा है. बाकी it's also vegan, no paraben, no silicons, 100% recycled plastic, and no dyes, no guilt. Basically it's a really nice shampoo and conditioner. However, it does not work on my hair fall issue. Hair fall पे इसने कुछ ऐसा कुछ काम नहीं किया, but I still love it. This is really nice. So the next hair care product which I have been loving recently is L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum for all hair types. I think पूरे इंटरनेट पे सबने ही इसकी तारीफ़ की होगी. बहुत ही कम लोग होंगे जिनको ये नहीं पसंद होगा. जिनको पसंद है उनमें से एक मैं भी हूँ. ये मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है. ये मेरे हेयर्स को बिल्कुल भी ऑयली या ग्रीजी नहीं बनाता है. ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू यूज़ रियली लेस क्वांटिटी, एंड आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट फ्रॉम पास्ट 2-3 months. स्टिल ये सिर्फ इतना ख़त्म हुआ है. सो इट विल लास्ट मी फॉर एवर, आई गेस. दिस इज़ 100 ml पैकेजिंग which is for rupees 499, I guess, and it also comes in chota size, so you can try that as well. I love this product. I will highly recommend you guys to try it out if you have frizzy and unmanageable hair. This one is for you, and it also works as heat protectant. So if you do a lot of hairstyles and all, you should get this one. Okay, so that's it for my hair care category. Now coming to my favorite category, which is makeup. Okay, so the first thing which I have been loving and obsessing from past 2-3 months is, wait, I think if you are an OG subscriber of mine or you follow my makeup tutorials, you would know this. Tell me किस product की बात कर रही हूँ मैं? नहीं पता. So I am talking about my favorite Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara. This is how it looks like. I love this product. I cannot talk enough about it. It's so good. This is how the wand of this look like. I don't know what to say about it. It's so good in every way. It provides my lashes life. It provides them length, volume, curl, everything. If you ask me to choose one product from this whole video, I would say pick this one. Just try it out. You will fall in love with this. However, it's not waterproof, but I like my mascaras to not to be waterproof because उसको निकालने में आधी lashes ही निकल जाती हैं. तो I like the washable variant, and it is a water resistant. ऐसा नहीं है कि पानी पड़ते ही ये निकल जाएगा. Okay, so the next makeup product I have is also from eye category, which is this Mars I Belong to Your Purse eyeshadow palette. This is so cute. 9 color eyeshadow palettes. So in the month of February, I think I used only this eyeshadow palette whenever I used to go out. वीडियोज़ में तो क्या है कि थोड़ा डिफरेंट यूज़ करना पड़ता है बिकॉज सब में सब कलर नहीं है और एक ही प्रोडक्ट यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. बट जब भी मैं बाहर गई हूँ मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ इन्हीं 2 पैलेट्स को यूज़ किया है. सो एंड आई रियली एंजॉयड इट. सो लेट मी शो यू ऑल. सो दिस वन इज़ लिट इट अप. This is how the color story of this palette looks like. It has beautiful lavender, purple and pinkish purplish shade, then brown, pink, silver, orange, everything. मतलब colorful अच्छा आई shadow palette है ये. And the other one is more of a neutral and everyday sort of a palette. This is how the color looks like: brown, black, orange, golden, silver. So this one is the variant Smoke It Up. So this palette is all you need for everyday or a basic beginner eyeshadow palette, and it's just for rupees 199. I think Mars Cosmetics is killing it with their products. I love all of them, and the pigments of these palettes are so amazing. Let me swatch some shades. of this palette. And swatching these 3 shades right over here. Oops, मैं ये swatch कर रही थी ये. Can you see this one and this one? And the best part, in 199 rupees eyeshadow palette, you are also getting a mirror. Like, it's a good quality mirror. अच्छे अच्छे आई शेडो पैलेट्स में मिरर नहीं होते हैं आजकल 800-900 वाले में, एंड ये 200 के पैलेट में मिरर भी मिलता है आपको. सो what else do you need? It's so good. Okay, so the next product I have in the makeup category is the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. This is how it looks like. I have the shade 238 Rich Tan. Yeah, it says that it's for oily skin, but I have dry skin and I freaking love this product. It's so good. It's for rupees 549 and you will always get it on discount. So basically आपको 500 के अंदर आराम से मिल जाएगा. And this is so good. It's medium to buildable coverage foundation and it is so lightweight on your skin. It will not feel very patchy or cakey. I think मुझे इसके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because it's like OG, the cult favorite product. I think every makeup lover or those who like doing makeup have probably owned this product. सबके पास ये ज़रूर होगा, और अगर नहीं है then you are missing out, हाँ. If you're looking for good, decent priced and supreme quality foundation, then please go for it. You will love this product. Okay, so the next product I have in makeup category is the Sugar Cosmetics mini bronzer in the shade Top Topper. This is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see, पर मैंने इसमें मतलब I am very close to hit the pan of this palette. Not very close, but हाँ मैंने काफ़ी इसमें कुछ तो इसमें कर दिया है. यहाँ बीच में थोड़ी तो जगह बन गई है because I use only this bronzer. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे पास बहुत सारे हैं. Bronzers is the only makeup product I have very limited, but उसमें भी मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ यही यूज़ करती हूँ because I love it. This is so good. It just blends in my skin. It's very cool tone bronzy shade. As you can see, it's so beautiful. It looks so natural, but at the same time it adds so much to my skin, so much to my base. I love this. And then that's it for my makeup category. I have few lipsticks also, but I've been planning to do my top 5 favorite lipsticks, तो मैं उसमें include करूँगी और उसमें ही review दूँगी because एक ही product बार बार दिखाना बोर हो जाता है ना. तो now coming to our next category, which is fragrance. So fragrance category में मेरे पास ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, बस एक ही body mist है जो कि मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ, और फेब में तो सिर्फ मैंने वही यूज़ ही किया है. Okay, so the body mist I was talking about is Plum Body Loving Body Mist in the shade कह रही हूँ, in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. This is how it looks like. It's the mini size and I think इसमें बहुत ही थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है. It's almost over now and I've already placed an order for a full size product because I cannot do without it. It smells so nice. It smells so good. I have never been to beaches or something, so I cannot tell the Hawaiian Rumba thing is true or not. But I have heard so many people saying that it's actually smell like beach and all. It gives like really beachy vibes. So if you are in the search of good long-lasting fragrances, body mist, then you should try this one out. Okay, so that's all I have in my fragrance category for the month of Feb. Okay, so the next category we have is jewelry. So I'm not a really jewelry or accessories person. मैं बाहर जाती हूँ तो मुझे कुछ खास पसंद नहीं है jewelry and accessories. But this earrings which I'm wearing right now, I have wore it for like 30-40 times. I lost the count also. I love this earrings. The quality is so nice. I'm wearing it constantly, but it's still in pretty good condition. That says a lot that quality is top notch. I got it from Amazon. I will definitely link it in my description box so you can also try it out. It looks so pretty, so chic. It goes with all of my dresses, tops, everything, and it looks so pretty. So coming to our last category, which is snacks. So for that I have this kulfi flavored wafer rolls. This is how it looks like. It's a pretty huge box. Like, can you see? It's the size of my face, and it's for rupees 150. I got it for like 50% off. तो मुझे ये कुछ 75 rupees का मिला from Flipkart grocery. I will also link this in my description box so you can try. This is how the wafer rolls look like. It looks so pretty, no? So good. This tastes so good. If you like kulfi, I am a huge kulfi lover, so for me it's so nice. It's so good quality, and the aftertaste is so good. I have been eating and munching on this recently so much. It tastes like legit kulfi. I really like it, and I would highly recommend you guys to give it a try. एक बार try करके देखो, पक्का अच्छा लगेगा. I think. So with that we come to an end of this video. I have shown all of my favorites to you. My favorite skincare, makeup, jewelry, everything I have shown you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please do let me know in the comment section whether I should make this every month or I should stop. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक कर दो, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.